What's up, guys? Welcome to Kuma Elite. Today we're going to be doing the low shelf testing. This is going to be just on full. Okay, let's go. That's one. Since we're in a weird location, I'm not going to run second mag, but we're going to do the high shelf next. This one's the high shelf. We're just going to run it full. One bag on. God, it stinks. Okay, that's high shelf. It's good. People say it's not it, but here you go. That's the product. Sorry about my face, I didn't get a mask today. But this one's for high shelf. Let's run another one. Oh, you know what? Let me swap it out and go do the low shelf. This is am I still recording? Okay. This is the low shelf. We're gonna go full. Go. Gone. That's fast. That's under a second, isn't it? Yeah. Scary. But I wouldn't use it for home defense. I feel it's bad for the person on the other end. I wouldn't know what to do. Hot.